May paoras ka balen. Ayan taming mabilog ang pwersa ng GNN TV 44 at yela rin makapanahon at lokal na istoryang dapat yung abalo. Kapamilataning garantisado, kumpleto ang pumbalansing informasyon. O rin po rin balitang may kalap yining Huwebis, May 15, 2025. Yako po'y Benny Ginto at iti ing News Force, Pampanga. Mabot king 686 billion pesos aulaganing pagsuspetsang Shabu ing may kumpiska king drug bust operation king Barangay Santo Domingo, Ciudad Angeles nganing Miyerkules, May 14. ID report.
Mabot king 686 million pesos sa alaganing pagsuspetsang Shabu ing may kumpiska king drug bust operation king Barangay Santo Domingo, Ciudad ng Angeles nganing Miyerkules, May 14. Tuklo king alos tinala na libo ning illegal na droga ing ikwadra ing operatiba ng Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency o PDEA at ning Angeles City Police Office o ACPO apanin muna ng Police Colonel Joselito Villarosa. Personal yang minta i Angeles City Mayor Carmelo Pogi Lazatinong nukarin pinresenta na lang ning hepe reng merakap a drug courier at reng may kumpiskang illegal drugs. Arestado keting metong nga Chinese national at asawa na niting Pilipina. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.
Droga magkaulagang 7.5 million pesos nesabat king Port of Clark. Ayon report ng Lawrence Tolentino.
Asabat na ng Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency o PDEA, ing 1.2 kilo ning shabu amamalagang 7.5 million king metong interdiction operation king Port of Clark anyang Huwebis, 8 ning Mayo. Ing package may nibatan niya Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Maglaman niyang metong Philips Power Pro Compact Vacuum Cleaner ating 528 gramo a droga at metong rice cooker ating 574 gramo a shabu. Ing amanual na operasyon penimunan dereng operatiba ng PDEA Clark International Airport Interagency Drug Interdiction Task Group, Bureau of Customs Port of Clark, Philippine National Police, Aviation Security Unit 3 at Drug Enforcement Group. Ako po'y Lawrence Tolentino para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutu, King Balen Susuyo.
Miyemye ang kapabaluan ng Bank of Commerce dikil king gustong pamanalan pera. ID report ang Jercel Martin.
Edukasyon di kilking financial literacy ing metong karengyampang ng programa ng Bank of Commerce o BOC. Yan ing pepasyag ng Melanie Ginto, ing branch manager ng BOC king Angeles. Kayag na ning pamagbisita na niti king Kapihan Media Forum ng Pampanga Press Club king Sisotel Clark. Keti, binida ng Ginto ing balaw sa progreso ng bangko at ring serbisyong yampang dareti.
Today po, we are happy to share with you. Topic of our seminar is financial literacy. By the way po, let me give you a profile of our bank. We are an affiliate of San Miguel Corporation since 2008, and Bank of Commerce is publicly listed universal bank focused on helping clients, communities, and conglomerate partners by delivering the best choice of financial services. So Bank of Commerce has 140 branches and 268 automated teller machines, including cash kiosks, strategically located nationwide.
Keti dinikdiking ulaga ng gustong financial planning at numakanalo makapanipon pera kapamilatan ng planning cycle.
So, what is financial planning po? Sino po kaya ang pwedeng mag-share ng thoughts? Opo, financial planning. By the way po, sa sasagot we have limited edition of Bancom notebook. Any idea lang po sa financial planning? Correct, sir. Thank you po for that. So, financial planning is comprehensive evaluation of individuals' current and future financial state to predict and manage future cash flows, expenditures, and asset values. So, dito po, tuturuan po namin kayo on how to save wherein income minus savings equals expenses. Okay. Next one. The financial planning cycle. So what is my financial state? So from this, we will ask ourselves po, nasaan na tayo sa ating financial state? And what do I want to achieve? What must I do to achieve it? Am I doing it right? Or what changes do I need to make it?
Dinitali nemo naman ng programang SMART ang mga bandugang specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, ampo time-based.
In financial planning, we also share the smart way, where in a specific state exactly what is to be done. Measurable includes how the goal can be measured. Attainable determines steps to reach the goal. Relevant, do not set goals for something unrealistic. And time-based, state when the goal will be met.
Ako po, Ijersal Martin, para king Newsforce Pampanga. Balitang tuto, king Balen, susuyo.
Atin pa mga paling balita king pamagbalik ning News Force Pampanga.
Panandamaning El Nino. Kung toro papali o mitatasing temperatura, daragul mo naman ing pamangailangan king kuryente. King daragula demand king kuryente asang kaning paning pamangamit kareng appliances kalupaning aircon, freezer at refrigerator. Asahan tamo naman na siguradong tuki ing kimot ning presyo ning kuryente amani batan king wholesale electricity spot market. Inya naman papaganakan ning Sfelapco kareng hanggang consumers ing paniguradong pamagbayo ning konsumo at presyo ning kuryente balang kilowatt hour. Manatiling makayantabe king kaya kaming Facebook page para kareng latest advisory. Beto nga paganaka, ibat king Sfelapco.
Dini panimbalit ang dapat tamong tutukan. InConverge ICT Solutions Inc. Maglayong mas palawakan ing karelang serbisyo. Ay ni-report ng Aaron Perez.
InConverge ICT Solutions Incorporated, metong karing manimunang internet provider king Luzon. Kapag nasandang apalawak ing karelang serbisyo king Visayas, ampong Mindanao. Agpangkang John Paul Aguilar, Senior Vice President ng Converge, atin lang 2.5 million a household subscribers king Pure Fiber Technology. Anyang milaba sa Banwa. At target na pang akit ing 1 million adagdag a subscriber king Banwang Itik.
When he says leave no one behind, no, we're really going to cover all of the segments, most of the segments of the society, no. We have an offering kanina po diniscuss ni Al, no. We have something for the ABC market, even for the D, and then yun nga, no, yung E na paangat na po, no, we have the prepaid brand now, no. So this is the this is the main strategy for 2025.
Maliban karing bayong business consumer offerings, apay kilala daking kapihan ning Pampanga Press Club inyang May 14, 2025, at ila pang aliwang serbisyo akalupan na ning IPTV na mas maglayong mapagserbisyuhan ing mas dakal abaleng Pilipino. Ako po'y Aaron Perez para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutu para king Baleng Susuyo.
Kaya katamong pakibaluan ng bili ng panahon king lalawigan, kilob ng 24 oras.
Balabalaw sing apekto ning ITCZ or Intertropical Convergence Zone king dakalaparti ning Visayas at Mindanao. Amag dalang makapalaulap at pamanuran. Samantala, king Luzon ng king Visayas, mamapektuya pamurin ing easterlies o mapalingangin amanibatan king Dagat Pasipiko. Anya asahan ning pamanuran king bandang Gatpanapon at Bengi. Ala namang akakita low pressure area king Kilob at wal ning Philippine Area of Responsibility.
Kabalen maging parti kaking pamagbalita ketiking News Force Pampanga. Nanumang kaganapan, issue o reklamo king kay lugal, malyari mong ikwento o isumbong kapamilya tandareng numero mayakit king kayong screen. Malyari mo namang mag-post karing kaming social media accounts. Panalakaran ng News and Public Affairs Team ng GNN TV 44, ingadinan kayong mata sa kalidad ng lokal na pamagbalita bilang panatang serbisyo karing sablang Kapampangan. Ayel ben nyo lang ening Webis, Rene Kalapa Istorya, ketiking probinsya. Yako po Benny Ginto at ini in News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutu, King Balen, susunod.